Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Dana. I am a single parent and I do everything on an extremely tight budget. Now today I am going to be doing my second paycheck budget for October. There's actually going to be 3 paychecks this month, which is awesome. I'm finally catching up on bills, finally getting more hours. So hopefully it all works out. My nails are usually painted black, so I just want to warn you that they're kind of like scary. They stained my nails, and I will be going soon in a couple days. Sorry as I cough. I'm going to be going in a couple days to get my nails done. My friend and my daughter are going to help me do them. They're just going to be press on. They're not going to be, you know, like a huge $80 expense, especially since I don't have the money. I hope I'm not getting sick. I've been doing better with my health. It's still kind of up in the air. I'm still trying to get my my clearance, I guess, to go on vacation because I really want to go. Been working closely with the doctor. I have to have a stress test for my heart, just basic stuff. I just wanted to get it out of the way because I just wanted to kind of speed through this today because I actually have a lot I have to do. So I just want to say thank you guys so much, you know, for all of, you know, just wishing me well, for your prayers, just everything, because I don't know, like, everything has been falling apart, and when you're like your health goes, it's a wake-up call of all the changes that you need to do in your life. And I'm just so grateful for you guys. I did, with my sinking funds, I did go ahead and use a lot of them to like pay down bills, to keep on track of everything. A lot of it came out of my Disney cruise that I was supposed to go on in January. I did have to email my travel agent and let her know that unfortunately I'm not going to be able to go on that because I just spent all the money. So yeah, I haven't touched any of the stuff that I was going for the October one, so I still have all of that money saved. I think it's about 3,000 something, like almost 4,000, because I have money in the bank. But yeah, I'm still hoping, I'm still praying that I'm going to be able to go, and that everything, you know, that everything goes well. So I'm going to go ahead and start on my October budget now, because I do get paid another one, or another check, coming up on the 20th. I'm actually going to be using this one to just kind of bulk up my sinking funds and just get basic things met. So my car insurance I definitely have to pay, so that one is going to be $60 this month, thank God. I hate that it fluctuates, but at the same time, like, I love when it goes down, because it can be $90 every month or $80, and now it's like 58 plus tax or something like that. So I'm gonna put $60 for that. My phone is $40 a month. This is for Total Wireless. It's actually a $35 card, plus I have to pay taxes because I get them from Walmart. My son's phone is the same thing. His is $25, but with tax that comes to $30 is what I budget. For my kitties, they're doing really good. They get $15 every paycheck. For gas, it's going to be $40. And I'm kind of worried that that's not even going to be enough. That sucks. I'm going to go ahead and budget $20 for the bus. Now, I am no longer taking the bus, but my kids are taking the bus still, so that they can get back and forth from school. I've dropped them off to school, but they have to get from school. So it's $2 a ride, 2 kids, you know, just everything. So I'm just going to put in 20 bucks for credit card. Now, my credit card, I actually had to use like gas for, I was using food for, all that stuff. So I tried to give myself a $100 limit, and so I am going to be paying this back. My Burlington card, which was for my kids, I'm going to be giving myself $30. I have to pay that. I do have a balance, but that's what I got this month. So I can afford. Let me see. I'm gonna bring this down just a little. Okay, so my dollar sinking fund, sorry, I'm like hitting the camera still. This is gonna be getting $20. I always try to budget $20 in ones, and I fill up as many cash envelopes that I can that I don't have the money to fund otherwise. And then if there's anything left over, then I put it into my like little dollar savings challenge envelope, and it's just basically what I was able to save from that. At the end of the year, I'm just gonna go ahead and count that all out and see how much I was able to save. For vacation, I am going to be budgeting $100. And let's see, my food, I'm only budgeting $20 because I was actually approved for food stamps, which I was very excited for and very shocked at, because usually I'd never get approved for anything, but I was able to get approved for that. So there we go. Alright, so eating out, I like to go out to eat after church, but I can't really afford it. So even if it's McDonald's, it's something special with my kids. For debt, this is going to be a $25 payment. For, oops, I skipped one. My kids' allowance, they are going to be getting $10. For my house, this is for toilet paper, Lysol, shampoo. I really need shampoo right now, actually. That is going to be $10. And then I finally get to do my sinking funds. Alright guys, so for my sinking funds, my daughter's birthday is going to be coming up, and I bought her something. It was actually $22, but I'm going to put in $20. For church, I'm going to be putting in $5. I know it's supposed to be 10%, but that's what I got. He won't be mad. For giving is going to be getting $5. Meds is something that now I have to pay for, and it does suck. It's going to be a monthly expense, but I'm putting in $5 for that one. My emergency fund, I'm going to be putting in $10 because I have to beef this up. Oh my god, you don't even know. It's been driving me insane. But I'm going to go ahead and beef that up because I depleted it. So, for car, so for my car, I depleted this as well. I'm going to be giving myself $30. For Boss Babe, I actually have a Cricut, and I'm trying to buy like the laminating sheets. No, what is it called? The vinyl. I'm trying to buy the vinyl. So it's $5 for that one. For money down, this one is going to be getting $5. For bills, this is just an extra, so in case I end up, I feel like now you're too close. There we go. So because I never know what's going on with my income, just in case I we get into the situation that I was in like the last couple of months, I'm going to have a backup. So this one is just going to get $10 this month. For hair, which actually is like a beauty envelope, this one is going to get $5. So for this one right here, we're going to use this to go buy like the stuff for our nails. For Disney, I'm still trying to pay myself back. That one is going to get $20. Christmas is going to be getting, you see, I believe it is $5. Holidays is going to be getting $10 because now for Thanksgiving we're going to New Jersey to see our family. For high school, this is for any dances or anything like that that might come up for my daughter or anything that she needs. This one is going to get $5. And for kids' clothes, this one is going to get $10. Now, I am going to separate them $5 each kid, but I ran out of paper. So, I don't know what I put over here. So, I'm gonna go ahead and add all of this up, and then I will tell you how much my budget was finally. Alright, so my total, are you ready for it? I finally have a good paycheck. Ready? And here it is, guys. I got paid $690. Now this is a zero-based budget. And so there is no buffer, there's no extra. This is literally everything that I got. And so, well, there was some change in there. It's like 32 cents or something, but I never count that, because how are you going to get 32 cents out of a bank? Like, I feel like that would be a really petty move. Be like, I want it all, including my 32 cents. But I went ahead and I just put this in there. I'm really excited, guys. Please pray for me for everything to be okay. Like, I really need to get away from my job. Being yelled at by angry people, and the boosters are here for COVID, so everything is crazy, and flu shots are crazy, and yeah, so just please pray for me. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start closing this out, but I really hope like that you guys are doing okay. Are you guys doing alright? Are you like taking care of yourself? That is number one. Take care of yourself. If you can't take care of yourself, then you can't take care of others. And that's what I literally just learned. Because I was like, if I would have dropped dead, then I don't know what would have happened to my kids. You know, I would not, I don't know where like they would go. I don't know, you know, who would take them. So, I have to take care of myself. That's something that I'm learning, and I hope that you guys are too, because this is some scary times we're living in. Like, you never know what's around the next corner. So as long as you take care of yourself, at least you kind of got a leg up on it. But I hope that you guys are doing really, really good, and I hope that you stayed to the end, and I hope that you like and subscribe if you're not. Please, please, please have a really good day and a really good week, and I shall see you in a little bit, okay? Alright, guys. Bye.